Look at that. Go test ride them tomorrow. We know they work right away. We're just going to go and ride them. Nice. Leave a comment which is your favourite one.
I don't know. There's a real fibbing element to that I don't like.
Alright, putting the ball together. We've got a washer here. Got a spacer. Got a washer on. Turn the TV down so you can hear me. Put the other spacer in, the other side here. A little gap. Put your washer down the side. Pump it through. Little bottle in there. That's a lock screw. That's the back wheel. Turn around. These are only finger tight for now. Take the washer off. The board should come like this with the thing on it. With the spacers on it. Hit your wheel, make sure that's facing the same way. Spacer, wheel, push it through. Jab a spacer in, push it through a little bit. Leave a little gap. Slide it through. And she's done. Alright, we'll put the wheels on. Now we'll put the bindings on. Bindings comes in the box. Take a little space to put it out. Then we'll put one there. Make sure that's on your big toe. So that's that one and that's that one. Left, right, and foot. Got little spaces, screws here with the washers. Undo this a bit, undo your clip like that. Don't have to undo the front one really. Put this in. I'm going to set this up for a natural. Find your holes, line them up. What I do is put one screw in first. Just set your binding up and so it's in the right spot. Once you find the right spot. And then we'll go this one. Tighten them down a little bit. One up here. They should all line up pretty good. Okay, just tighten them down until you can't tighten them down anymore without threading them. But bring them down together, all together. Don't go too far on one of them. Probably the best way to do it. One's down low enough. When you go low enough, you'll feel it, you can't turn it no more. It'll get real tight. That's it on that one. So on that one, alright, do the back wheel. The back barn, same thing. Plate on. Go pretty square on this one. Same thing, line one of them up. Put your screw in. If you find it first go, like I have been, luckily. Beautiful. You work out where your bindings will go eventually. Your bindings are fighting your feet. You need to move your bindings. You don't want your bindings to fight your feet. They should just sit in nicely. Go in this hole. There's a heap of different holes you can move your binding backwards and forwards. Same thing again, tighten them down. Even as you can. Push it right down. Alright. Put your binding back together. She's done. Nice new board. All from 2wheelboard.